Instagram page?
Tiki Pan Di Sea.
So it's Tiki Pan Di Sea, people, so you can check out the Instagram page, and they also have them shirts that they sell. See it there?
Yeah, man.
Without a Booby Cay Island off the shore and Negril, and if you can look in at the distance in front of you, we see all of the hotels. You have what used to be Grand Leader, then you have Point Village, then you have Hedonism, and then as you go down you see more hotels, Sandals, Couples Beaches. So we're there upon a little boat tour in Sunday, you know, that's something there. Jamaica Uncut Island vibes. Sunday settings. So people come out on the island and them chill out, them drink beer, them cook, them grill lobster, and them kind of something and just enjoy themselves. So see the fireside thing I go on. Yeah? What go on, chef?
Yeah, big up yourself. No?
Blessed love, my brother.
Yeah, man.
Seeing? That's how the man have him sweet potato, they go on, him have him plant, and he have bread, said speed. Fresh lobster, they go up on the grill, you know. See it there? Yeah, big chef. Alright, people, so see the lobster go and cut off, go up on the grill there. Fresh. Yeah.
Out of sea with it.
Out of sea with it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, see.
We want to make it nice and proper, you know?
Yeah, man, bless up. So how you grill the lobster, you know? You put butter and thing on it?
Yeah, man, we garlic up on everything, man. But yeah, we're not going to talk too much of secret.
No, we don't want to talk secret, we just want basic thing.
Yeah, but you know, so garlic included.
Yeah, grill him up on.
Yeah, man, and you know, so you have your onion.
Yeah.
You know, so two antibiotic that.
See?
You know, so we have a thing of control corona already.
Ah. A Jamaica kind of people, everything
man.
control corona.
Yeah, man, we have a control, man.
Yeah, man.
We have the garlic, man, we have the onion, man, and we have the rum.
See, that rum?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, my brother.
See, lobster, they go and clean up there. Ladies, all is good? Alright, Jamaica Uncut. We are going, yeah, Jamaica Uncut. Yeah, man, we are uncut. Yo, yeah, man, bless up. Your first time to Jamaica?
My first time.
Your first time, where you from?
I'm from Maryland.
Alright, and where you from?
North Carolina.
And you?
The great state of Texas.
The great state of Texas.
The great state of Texas. That's right.
How's the lobster?
All of that. Delicious.
It looks like you eat everything out of it.
What do you mean?
People in Jamaica, we say she murdered the lobster. Yeah. Nothing no left.
Still murdering.
Yeah, man. Nothing. Say nothing like we hear.
Nothing left.
Nothing no left.
Nothing left.
Yes, I. Alright, people, so we are take a little tour of the island, find a little trail, so I go and walk around and see where it lead me to. It seems like it take you all the way around and back to where we are come from. So this is the Booby Cay Island off the shore of Negril, right outside of Hedonism or Point Village. Or if you remember that hotel that used to be called Grand Leader one time. I think it named Royal Tanya now. So, oh, we bring it to a little beach. See it there? Back in a one piece. Yeah. Back to where the rest of people them there. But I don't want to last from one island and next thing they gonna left me and I can't swim, so I don't know how to reach back home.
uncut and we cut up everything same way.
You see that people so uncut and we are cut up everything. Fish are go and cut up. Butter they go and cut up. Season they go and cut up. Lobster they farm fire they go and grill up.
Yeah.
See it there?
Yeah.
Real something.
Yeah. Yeah man, nice and easy man. Fresh
Yeah
to
man,
death,
see
you
him
know?
so man.
For real uncut. Maximum respect.
Blessed love,
You know
brother.
what I mean? Every
Blessed
time.
love.
Yeah man.
Yeah,
Out of Negril, Jamaica. You know
Booby
what I mean?
Cay.
Booby Cay.
See?
Set speed, you know?
Yeah, man.
Heart of love from Jamaica to the world.
Bless up.
Uncut.
Alright, bless
Yeah,
up, bless up.
Big up Jamaica uncut.
Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love.
Thank you. This is so pretty.
So we are getting some scotch bonnet pepper, you have to go and spice up the thing.
Yeah.
If you're afraid of pepper, don't touch scotch bonnet.
Jamaica uncut are the biggest thing in the world right now. You understand me? I say, just subscribe and do the right thing.
Blessed love, brother.
Every time.
Same so we
Uncut,
did.
the best thing.
And people are your chef this, so when you come on the island, and them man are going to cook your food. for
Yeah,
you,
man.
see?
Chef,
Yeah, man. Lobster, Mafia. Mafia way, but a lobster way. Right, yeah, good way.
Uncut. Make
Cut
sure you
out.
don't lose it.
Cut out.
Yeah, man.
Alright, and this a man I say him name Homeboy.
Homeboy,
Homeboy.
man that take care of the
Uncut,
island.
cut out.
Yes, and you look after the island and clean it
Yeah,
up
man,
and
we
thing.
clean up the island
So you're out there every day?
every day. Me
See, how long you out there?
Why me out of when I eat it?
For real?
I swear.
How you end up out here?
Well, me end up like, I'm fisherman in about at the end of the day, we used to go deep sea fishing, but then we come down and life a little bit different from the change.
Oh, so you just day and out there so?
And then me try to laughter one day and the people they love me, so me continue to do this.
Oh, so you grill lobster as well?
Yes, man.
Seen.
Anywhere part in Jamaica, you go and see grill lobster, you start right on that grill lobster.
Right on the grill
That
yourself.
grill lobster,
Seen.
everything.
Yeah, man.
In Kingston, you go anywhere, you go and see it, yes, they start.
So where do I come from?
For Orange Bay.
Oh, so you're that Westman said
Me a
speed.
home man, me a home. That's
Homeboy.
why I say me a home boy.
Oh, that's why your name Homeboy.
Homeboy.
Because he's a homeboy.
I'm a home boy.
You hear that people? The man come from Anna, so that's why I'm named Homeboy, because this time home.
Yeah.
Seen? Yeah, man. Island vibes. Homeboy.
God bless you, you know.
Yeah, man. Grill lobster
God-
something.
God- God thank you.
Uncut, cut
You're
out.
around for a while, you know.
Yeah, man. We have life, you know.
And keep it strong going, you know.
Yeah, man. My mother, that's why we are walking on top of our grave, so we good.
Right, respect.
Yeah, man. Same so.
Yeah, Mr. Respect.
Yeah, man. Blessed love, man. I'm blessed for life, man. Alright, seen? Alright, blessed love.
Big up Jamaica and touch. Big up Jamaica. Big up Jamaica in one cut.
Homeboy to Lobster Mafia. Big up Jamaica uncut.
Blessed
You
love.
understand what I say?
Yeah.
Up to the time.
Yeah.
Down to the limit.
Same
Uncut.
so.
Cut out.
Cut out. Boom.